blast off on an exciting learning adventure with our fantastic worksheet designed to complement this video. You can find it in the description below. Don't miss out on the fun! The Lighthouse Lab. Hey there, young scientists! Welcome to another awesome episode of the Lighthouse Lab. Today, we're going to learn about matter and how we can use a cool tool called a balance to compare the masses of different things. Are you excited? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about matter. It's everything around us. It's the air we breathe, the water we drink, and even our favourite toys. Now, let's learn about two fun terms, mass and volume. Imagine mass as the amount of stuff packed into an object. It's like having a backpack full of toys. The more toys you have inside, the more mass it has. Volume is all about space. Think of it like a balloon. When you blow more air into it, the balloon gets bigger and takes up more space. That's its volume. Okay, this cool tool is called a balance, and in science, we use it to compare the masses of different objects. These two tennis balls look and feel the same. I'll place one tennis ball on each side of the balance. Watch closely to see what happens. I thought so. The balance stayed perfectly level. That means both tennis balls have the same mass. When a balance stays level, it's telling us that the mass of the objects on both sides of the balance is equal. Pretty neat, huh? Okay, let's keep exploring. Here, I have a cricket ball. It's similar in size to the tennis ball, but it does feel a bit heavier. I'll take out one of the tennis balls and replace it with the cricket ball. Watch closely. This time, the balance tipped towards the cricket ball. This tells us that the cricket ball has more mass than the tennis ball. So things might be similar in volume, but very different in mass. Alright, I've got one last thing to show you. This rubber duck takes up more space than this wooden block, so it has a greater volume, but does it also have a greater mass? Let's find out using our trusty balance. Watch closely as I place the rubber duck on one side of the balance and the wooden block on the other. Whoa, did you see that? The balance tipped towards the wooden block. This shows us that it has more mass, even though it takes up less space. Well, that's it from me today, but now it's your turn to become super explorers and predict, measure, and compare mass. Grab a balance and try this at home or school with your own toys. See ya!